Welcome to another good idea. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super fast, super easy sled from only 2 components, or even only 1.
Our cherry tree just broke. And everything is bent so down, it's insane. There's just so much snow and it's still kind of snowing. It all came down within one day. It's just so crazy. Tomorrow we're going sledding and I'll show you how to build the best kind of sled.
My god, this is so much snow. So I guess I'm not taking my bike, but I told you before my fingers are 10 centimeters long from here to here. So let's measure. This is 10, 20, 30. I would say that's like 37 centimeters within 24 hours. It's insane. The city has stopped all post-transmission. They're not taking the trash anymore. The whole city is locked down. Our tree broke and we are going into the forest now because it's perfect weather for sledding. I'm showing you how to make a really lightweight sled and we'll jump right into it. So, let's go. You need only 2 components or even only 1 depending on what you have. One is some sort of stable plastic or fabric bag that holds the snow that you can sit on and doesn't rip. It can be an IKEA bag or even better a bag that has a smooth surface, then you can do it in only 1 component. And the second is some sort of slidable surface. This can be this, like a stable plastic bag, or some bendable plastic surface. Could be like an old thick poster board or something. Just needs to be plastic so it doesn't dissolve in the snow. Paper won't do. And then you need an IKEA bag or something big and stable. You fill that with snow. It's better to fill a little bit more snow. This will shape to your bum ergonomically. And then for these bags I like to put a little bit of snow to shape the front because the front needs to be round, otherwise it doesn't slide so well. It will be custom formed to your anatomy because we have this high-tech material here and it's like this water composite. The good thing about these bags is that your butt doesn't get wet, opposed to the poster board solution that I also show you, where if you're not holding it correctly, you get a wet bum. Put this in. And this is basically your sled already. Once you have your sled complete, you give it one big seat. So you're stable in there and you go downhill. Woo! We write history today. Woo! The advantages to usual sleds are that they're so much lighter for carrying the back up. If you have a wooden frame, it gets heavy. And this one you can just put your plastic sheet, roll together, put in your bag, together with your hot chocolate. It's empty. And you're good to go. Hey there! Thanks for watching! I hope you can enjoy sledding with these two sleds, enjoy the snow, and see you next time. That was really cold.